Hey there! So, I found a fix for my previous problem. I made sure this pin never go down again. I used the internal sprinkle and hooked it up reverse. So now the knob always try to be up. So when the car is unlocking and it can go all the way and the knob is always up. So now it locks and unlocks. I don't actually know what did I override here, but as long it works and it didn't require me to have any spare parts. So nice. Alright, here's the final product. And I close it. It closes and opens. So I hooked it up and immediately figured out what the little knot is doing there. You see? It closes immediately because it's already down. So you can't open it remotely. Little inconvenience. The fix still holds, but you have lost a serious future. So, mystery solved. So, in conclusion, I would say that something that pushed up this little node over there, that something has broken off, and that's why the lock didn't work. Well, this simple fix it kinda, but if you want to completely fix it, you need to change the lock mechanism for a brand new one. So thank you for watching and goodbye.